my friends in classroom 3. Hola, mi amigos en salón 3. Friends in the Halley School. Today we are going to read one of your favorite books that you really like to read when we're in school. The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. Do you remember this one? Every time I point, you have to make the sound of a doorbell. What sound does a doorbell make? Say ding dong. So every time I point, you're going to make ding dong as the doorbell rang. The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. That's the cover. The Doorbell Rang by Pat Hutchins. That's the title page. Ooh, look what's going to happen. I've made some cookies for tea, said Ma. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Ma. I made plenty. That's 6 each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 3 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. Look what's happening to the floor. That's 2 each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma as the doorbell rang. It was Joy and Simon with their 4 cousins. Come in, said Ma. You can share the cookies. That's 1 each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And look as good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the doorbell rang. And rang. They'll have 1 cookie. Should they answer the door? Oh dear, said Ma, as the children stared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It's going to open the door. Who is it? It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It's a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Ma, as the Doorbell rang. The end. Now we're going to use these. Do you remember these from our dramatic play area? The cookies. We're going to use them and we're going to divide them in fair shares. So we're going to take all 10 cookies and we're going to split them up every time a new person comes to the house. Now we have 10 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if Sam and Victoria eat them, they each get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a fair share. That is dividing the 10 cookies into 2 groups. Then Tom and Hannah come over. Oh no. Let's see what we should do now. Let's try. We'll have to have 2 left over because that's not fair. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And Peter and his little brother come over. Let's see what we should do now with the 10 cookies. Peter and his little brother are over now. Let's see if we give them each 1. Now there's 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can they each have another cookie? No, there's only 4 left. They can't each have another cookie. So this is a fair share. They each get 1. What if Simon and Joy and 2 of their cousins come over? Then the 10 cookies are divided equally. Each person gets 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But there's still 10 cookies, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's still 10 cookies. You only get 1 each because there are 10 friends to go along. Bye, friends. I miss you. Have fun doing the dividing activity. Maybe you guys can cut out some cookies and you could pretend to share them with your family members. If you have 4 family members and you make 8 cookies, how many cookies would everybody get? Or if you have 5 family members and you made 10 cookies, how many cookies would everyone get? So try it out at home and have fun. Bye.